Now we will start to learn about all Google products. It may be a Google Docs, document sites, my business. Many products are there. We'll discuss one by one. But before that, we need to create a Google account. One Google account we need to create. If you already created a Gmail account, then it is nice. If you are not created a Gmail account, then how to create a Gmail account or a Google account? Both are same now. In a Google account itself, Gmail, everything will come. First, we'll go to a Google, go to any browser, type Google. We will go to a Google now. Okay, here Google is there. By default, if you have taken a Google Chrome, then you will be get a directly sign in option here on the right hand side. Sign in option. You can use that one. If you are using any other browser than the Google Chrome, then click on that Google. Click on that Google link. Then you will be going to a sign in. Okay, just click on here sign in button. Once you click on a sign in button, if you already have a account, Gmail account, then you can use that whatever for while creating a Gmail account, you may be given an email ID or phone number. Okay, you can give that one. Otherwise, if you are new to the Google, then use a create account. Click on that create account. It asks for yourself or manage my business. For example, it is for personal account, then click for a for myself. If it is a business account, for a business purpose, if you are creating a Google account, then select a to manage my business. I will select to manage my business. So we are learning to how to manage a business by using a Google products. First, it asks for the create your Google account. First name of the your business. If you are given a name for your business, for example, we have given a name for our business as a Beta Academy. I will take a Beta as a first name, Academy as a last name. Okay, once I selected, automatically the Google itself will give one suggested Gmail account. Okay, Academy Beta 443. Okay, if you doesn't like this particular name, you like to give your own name, then you can say you can give any name. Okay, it's related to your business. For example, if I say Beta Academy at the rate gmail.com, I like to have that particular name. No, the username is already taken, so will not be able to use that one. Then what I do, I will say dot Bangalore. Okay, if I use that, yes, it is available, so it's not showing any red color high errors. Okay, Beta Academy dot Bangalore, that is a what Gmail ID for your business from now. Then it will ask for the password. It will ask for the password. You can say that yeah, password need to be, you have to give your own password, but you should remember that password. You should remember that password, and a number as well as a symbol, everything should be there in a password. We'll give one password. My own password I have been given. You can give your own password. It should have a number as well as alphabets as well as a symbol like at the rate, ash, dollar, any symbol. Then say next. Once you given a password, say next. Okay, now here it will ask for the mobile number. It will ask for the mobile number, that is a optional. Okay, you can give or not be provided or mobile number also. Okay, and recovery email address it will ask. Recovery email address, I will give one more email address we have, Beta Academy 365 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, I have been given a the recovery email. If you forgotten this particular email address, you can recover this one. If it is not there, again no need to give. Then date of birth, you can give your own date of birth. Okay, then gender, you can select a gender and say next. Once you given a next, it will be account will be created. All the conditions have been given. You can, if you have a time, you can read all the terms and conditions of the service and say I agree. Okay, once you said the I agree, then it is asking for your Google account is all set. Now add your business profile. You can say continue, or you can say not now. Business profile in the sense Google My Business. We will discuss in detail about Google My Business in a coming classes. Okay, once you said not now, your Gmail account has been created. Your Gmail has account has been created. You can check, go to Gmail here, and the account already has been created by using a that particular account. Okay, this is about a how to create a Google account. How to create a Google account using your browser. If you are first time user, Gmail user, then you have to follow these steps. If you already have a Gmail account, then you can directly log into your Gmail, and you will find out all the other accessories. Okay, we'll discuss about what are the products we are going to learn in a Google account next. Okay, before that, first you have to create one Google account. If you are not yet created a Google account, or what I'm saying here, Google account, or this particular thing, if you are not yet created Gmail account, then create one. Okay, and we'll discuss about what are the products we are going to discuss in a next video.